All right, as promised, here's the next installment. I'm going over the bullets. This one's the 30% off of all Vulcan items. So jump right in and let's take a look and see what offerings we have. All right, first we have this Vulcan ProTig 205 industrial welder. It's got the 120 or 240 volt input. Normally $1199.99. Hey, with this discount, $839.99. How about a little smaller one? The Vulcan MigMax 215 industrial welder also has 120 or 240. Normally $899.99. Parking lot sale price, $629.99. And remember, ITC members, you get a heads up Monday through Thursday before the general public does. How about a new helmet? This is the ArcSafe Auto Darkening 10.1 square inch welding helmet. Normally $139.99 down to $97.99 with a discount. Need a welding cart? Normally $109.99. Great reviews on this. Down to $76.99. How about a super heavy duty welding cart? You can carry multiple welders and types of welders and all your rods and all your tips. Normally $399.99. Look at this, over $100 off, $279.99 with your discount. Here's Vulcan's 160 amp spool gun, normally $249.99. During the sale, $174.99. Here's a 180 amp MIG gun, normally $79.99. Grab that thing for $55.99. How about some welding gloves? This is the Defender Professional, $19.99 normal price. You can pick them up for $13.99. You might want to stock up while they're so cheap. How about a 150 amp TIG torch? Normally $99.99. If you've been needing one of these, putting it off, $69.99. Quite a buy. Need a foot pedal remote. Normally $99.99. You can also pick this up for $69.99 during the sale. How about tips? Multiple sizes. I didn't list them all here just for in the interest of time. Normally $9.99. You can pick these up for $6.99 a pack. Those are 10 packs, and as I said, that's multiple sizes. Need some electrodes or rods. $9.99 normally. It's going to come in at $6.99. Same deal. This is going to be multiple items. I just took a picture of one of them. How about the big boy? The Vulcan Outlaw 195 engine-driven stick welder. It's an AC generator also, and it's got CO secure technology, so quite a unit. Normally $1799.99. Look at the discount on this thing during the parking lot sale. $1259.99. If you've been putting off buying this bad boy, I'm not sure it's going to get any cheaper. How about another helmet? This one's got 13.5 square inch. It's a premium ArcSafe Auto Darkening. Normally $169.99. You can pick that up for $118.99. And if you just feel patriotic, it is our 250th anniversary. How about that 10.1 square inch ArcSafe Auto Darkening with the American flag design? Be patriotic while you're doing your job. Normally $149.99 down to $104.99. And I believe that's all we have for this. There are several other items. I just tried to give you a good sampling of what I thought was going to be a really good buy for you. So jump on down Monday through Thursday. If you're a ITC member, if you're not, Friday through Sunday, and partake of some of these great savings. Please like and subscribe so I can continue pushing these videos. And until the next video, y'all take care.